Here's an example of a few different marker cues, but get it's the one I want you to pay attention to.
Yes.
So yes, he's coming to my hand to get the treat. And get it's when I'm tossing the food on the ground.
Get it.
You can see that get it is a little more arousing reward marker or reinforcement cue. He is pretty up and excited during this session. He likes chasing the treats. So when you have all this foundation behavior, then you can start playing the games for both dogs. So when your dog can hang out on the station while each is released, you're ready to start FOMO training. You want to start with very simple, quiet behaviors. And as your dog does well, you're slowly going to start to increase the excitement of the behavior. Use a high rate of reinforcement for the dog on the station. You're going to want to stand close to the station to make it easier to reward the dog. Now there you'll notice that I cued the jump and I immediately said ground to strive. So I'm tossing the treat to Excel and I'm immediately rewarding Strive to help her stay on. Strive got up and laid right back down, so I told her she was a good girl. Tossed a treat to Excel and gave Strive a treat after saying ground.